For everyone on the call today who is perhaps evaluating LitSuite to potentially replace the traditional hot seater model in a trial, um, Nicole, can you share a good piece of advice for them? I know that, this method may not be cookie cutter right for everyone, but what would you say to them?
I would say think about how much you spent at your last trial, and how much even just one seat to play with. And I'm not saying that that's good enough because you should become obsessed with it and it should be part of your daily workflow. But the value that you can get, even if it's just one of the apps. Pick something in your workflow that you don't like or that you have concerns with or that's kind of a sticking point. Deposition summaries, for example. TranscriptPad, the money that you pay for an annual subscription, the TranscriptPad usefulness in one deposition summary is you're going to get your money's worth. So don't try to bite off more than you can chew. Find one thing that you think they can help you with and use that for a little while. Develop your own process, develop your own system. And eventually you will come to find that you are actually much better at managing your case than you thought you were. And so you're going to be much better at presenting your case than you thought you were. And that's where TrialPad lets you be confident in what you're doing. You've done the work. Why can't you do it in trial?